So guys, how to change the text size and make them bold? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have the output. Now suppose we want to change the text size of this paragraph. For that, move to the first tag, give a space, write style equal double quotation inside the CSS code. So font dash size clone, then the size suppose 50 pixel, then a semicolon. Save the document, reload the page. See, the text size changed. Now suppose we want to make this word bold. For that, go to the starting point, less than, span, greater than, in point, less than, slash, span, greater than. Now same, go to the first tag, write style equal double quotation, font dash weight clone, then the value suppose 600. Close it with a semicolon. Save the document, reload. See, now the paragraph is bold. Also we can add style tag separately. Style less than, style greater than, give it some space. Give this paragraph a class name. For that, class equal to double quotation, class name, para size. Inside the style, call the class dot para size, opening brace, closing brace. Inside, write the text style, font size clone. Let's change it to 40 pixel, then semicolon. Save and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.